So I got a feedback about a post I recently made. And the post was all talking about how it's more important to progress than to shoot for perfection. And I know that could get a bit confusing because now you're thinking, are you saying that my service should not be perfect or my product should not be perfect? But that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that the reason why many entrepreneurs don't even start at all, why they don't even get to the execution phase of their journey, is that they are looking to get the best product out there, or they just want to get the best of the service the very first time that they are rendering that service. But that's not how it works. The way it works is that you get whatever product that is meeting the customer's need, you get it out as soon as you can, and then you improve on it every time that you reproduce it again. If it's a service, you do that exactly which your client is asking you to do, and then you make sure that you serve your next customer better than you served your last customer. And that's how you do it. That's how you improve. That's how you build a reputable business. If you are waiting to get to that point where you have all your ducks in a row, where you have everything perfectly set, you may never start. And if you don't start a business, you don't have a business. So my challenge to you is get moving, do something. Progress is more important when you are starting. Even when you continue to do the job, there's not going to be a point where you are totally perfect. What is important is to continually improve. Progress is what you need. You need to take action, you need to keep moving, and that's how you will eventually realize that you're getting to your target, your customers are pleased, and then your product or your service keeps getting better. I'm saying it again, progress over perfection. Keep moving forward, keep rising higher, and soar like an eagle.